Go. Hello, my name's Noah Holloway.
My name is Caitlin Taylor.
Today, we're going to give you a little tutoriality.
Okay guys, so now I'll be teaching you how to use the Lasercutter software. So first you should open the app and it should take you to this page. On this page you will see, it will say design view. And it will have load another project, save project, new project. It will also have edit shape, new line, which you can draw on here. Rectangle, which is a rectangle tool, which is what I will be using in today's video. Ellipse tool, and new path, which is basically like a freehand thing. So for today's project, we will be making a box. This is a very simple design. So first I'm going to click on the rectangle tool, drag it out. Our width, which is down here in this box, which is in inch perspective, will be 4 inches, and our height will be 5 inches. Then, since the box has 6 sides, we will make 6 rectangles, and 4 of which will have the same 4 by 5 measurements. And when you're making the design on the software, you want to make the rectangles or whatever tools that you're using as close together as possible, so you waste as least amount of material as possible. Because if you leave spaces like these right here, it will just be a blank space on the actual color type. So now that we've made 4 of those, we are going to make 2 smaller rectangles. These rectangles will have measurements that are 4 by 4, 4 inches by 4 inches. This will be the top and bottom half of the box. We want to make sure these don't overlap too. So we're going to move these up a bit. And there we have it, guys. That is how you make a simple drawing on the Lasercutter software. And then to transfer into something that the Lasercutter can read, we'll go to Vector Cut, which is right here. But first we need to render it, and this is basically converting it to a file that the Lasercutter can read from. Now we're going to go to Vector Cut, and this is how you do it, guys. This is how you make a simple box design on the Lasercutter software.
Go. Hi, how are you? We're going to be showing you a couple of safety precautions about when you're using the Lasercutter. Okay, so the first safety precaution is when it is extremely important to work completely safely around the Lasercutter and no horseplay or anything of the sort. Another rule would be is when the laser is working, make sure that the laser itself is not going off the cutting material or anything of the sort. And also if it cuts the aluminum foil, that will damage the device. Okay, now if you take a look at the aluminum foil itself is very... Okay, now you must make sure that throughout the process you must monitor the laser cutter itself, because if a fire starts, then it will be very dangerous. And also you must press the red button on the top of the laser cutter to make sure that no fires continue to start or, you know, put the place in flames. Next up is make sure when you're finished using the laser cutter, you must shut down the laser cutter completely and make sure that nothing is running, and that would be and then that might damage the laser cutter. Okay, so where am I supposed to? Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Okay, can you record that part? Just voice it over. You record it.
Yeah, I was recording this entire thing.
No, you don't have to record it. Alright, hope you enjoyed our Lasercutter software tutorial and informational video on how to make a pencil box. So thanks, you're great.